All right, guys, good morning. This is directions on how to access the textbook and directions on the assignment. So, the assignment we posted in Google Classroom, it'll be 17.1. Now, you should be familiar with the textbook from the vocabulary activity we did a couple days ago. All right, to access the textbook, you want to be in the classwork tab right here, and you'll click textbook and you'll follow the link. Now, again, this is 17.1. So for this specific activity, we're going to go down to 17.1. In the future, for example, on Tuesday, we'll do 17.2. You would go there, right? But for today, we're going to go here to 17.1. You just go to whatever assignment you're working on at that point in time. You load it up. Again, it brings up the textbook. Now, if your assignment has pages like this, you don't have to read this kind of stuff. All right, you can scroll down. You don't have to read this kind of stuff. Just read the actual text. If the assignment says 17.1 or 17.2, or it's a specific section, the answers will all be found in there. Obviously, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm over in room 304, or you can email me at longa@readingsd.org. All right, guys, get this assignment done.